Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix delay in receiving emails in Outlook. If you've noticed your emails aren't showing up as quickly as they should, it's likely due to your automatic send and receive settings being configured for longer intervals. Let's walk through how to adjust this and get your emails flowing in real time. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to fully load. This initial loading process is important because it ensures you're working with the most current version of your inbox. Give it a moment to sync everything properly before moving to the next step. Once your email has loaded, we're going to dive into the settings that control how often Outlook checks for new messages. Navigate to the Send/Receive menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. This is where Outlook handles all the sending and receiving configurations. Click on the Send/Receive tab to access these options. From your Send/Receive menu, look for the Send/Receive Groups drop-down. This feature controls how different email accounts and folders sync with the server. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Define Send/Receive Groups. This will open a new window dedicated to managing these settings. Now here's where we'll fix the delay issue. A Send/Receive Groups window will appear in front of you. If you're experiencing delays with receiving emails, chances are you've set the automatic send and receive timer for a very long interval, meaning Outlook is only checking for new messages every 10, 15, or even 30 minutes. Look for the option that says Schedule an automatic send/receive every. Right next to it, you'll see a field selector labeled Minutes. This is the key setting we need to adjust. You can simply change this value to 1 minute, and the automatic update will start checking for new emails every single minute. This dramatically reduces any delay in receiving your emails and ensures you're always up to date with incoming messages. Once you've made this adjustment, click OK to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the delay in receiving emails in Outlook by adjusting your automatic send and receive interval. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.